It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Casita Center, home of the Cougars in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And this is my third and final visit of this school year, 2023-2024. The main focus right here in the MPR that we spoke about today, another very important topic, is leadership and turning our passion into our purpose, right? So our passion is what makes us come alive. It's that fire in our hearts, right, in our bellies that just makes us, basically want to do something and basically be 110% alive. And that's for me, that's my speaking. But when we're talking about turning our passion into our purpose, what we love to do, our gifts, talents, abilities, hobbies, etc., we can already start using those at a young age and use those to start helping others, which becomes our purpose, right? And for the students to understand this life lesson in their youth is huge, something I didn't fully grasp probably until my early 20s. But, for me, my passion's always been music, hip hop, working with children. And when I put those two together, that became my purpose, which is the school assemblies that I do now all across the U.S. And a lot here on the West Coast, so I always love coming back, sharing my heart with the AM, PM groups here in Vista and Oceanside, the after school students and staff. And again, it was just very fulfilling for me, for them to start thinking about, what brings them that fulfillment too. And it's never too young to start. You can be as old as you want or as young as you want, but to know that we can already, start honing in on our skills and using those to uplift others, that's very, very important to understand. And it ties in with the shirt that I wear for this assembly too. It's the multicolor peace sign, and it's different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead with our voice. We're vocal, loud leaders like me. I talk a lot. Some of us have that more of a quiet strength, right? We lead by example, by action. And there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as you're doing something positive for this planet and doing it for the right reasons too. We talk about not just doing it for the money or the accolades or the awards, the trophies, but because it's heavy on the heart. And that's why this shape of this peace sign is also in a heart, right? That's where your passion lies, is inside your heart. And now we start to shine that, like we talked about the shining star with the hand motion wrap that we did, but trying to shine that light, not only here at our school, but in our homes, in our communities, and that starts to have a ripple effect, bringing that change all across this planet. And, we're also focusing on our priorities and what's most important. We always say people first, things second. And, it's the most important things in your life. It's your family, your friends, your brothers, your sisters, your parents, your teachers, your coaches, your classmates, all of those, are the most important things in your life, and your dreams, your goals, and your passions, of course, right? So that also means that we're tying in and remembering what we want to be remembered for. And that's what we call being our true legacy. And being like someone's helping hands, being like that bowling ball versus a balloon, standing for the right principles, having strong character, that strong, solid foundation, that if negative peer pressure comes along, we're not going to be that affected by it because we know our worth and value, but we also know our purpose, right? And so we know that we're going to keep trying and keep doing the right thing even when no one's watching. And, just always remember that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful miracles. Never forget that as well, right? And hope to see you again in the future. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.